Alright guys, I know we usually do detailing videos today, but today we're going to use a detailing tool here. This is the Grandfalls pressure washer from Giraffe Tools, and I'm going to clean my dirty driveway up. Can you see it? Oh my gosh. So let's get busy. Just going to use the pressure washer and see how clean we can get this. I'll show you what it looks like before and after. Alright, so all we got to do is, I got my quick connects, I plug in the hose here. That's done. I turned on the water. Get the gun out. I'm gonna make sure it's primed. That means flushing all the water through the hose. Turn it on. And we're gonna use the orange tip here to clean the driveway. You can pull it out as far as you want. It has 100 feet of hose. Looks pretty good. Not bad. so we've got this whole side is clean. It's drying over here, but you can see the difference there. Now I'll have to clean this side over here. We've got everything cleaned except for this last patch here. We're down to the end. Let's get it done. So we're just letting it all dry up now. A lot better. We were able to reach all the way around the house here. Looking good now. Thanks to my Giraffe Tools 100-foot Grandfalls pressure washer. And here it is all dry. Here it is all dry. All right, guys, so finished up the driveway. You know, in person, it looks fantastic. I know the camera picks up a lot of little blotches here, but it looks 100 times better. And, you know, it was really easy with the Giraffe Tools Grandfalls pressure washer. If you get a chance, check it out. When it becomes available, it's going to be a great deal. Really. And, you know, I think it's going to be about $300 according to the way I see it. Can't really beat it. Easy, retractable hose. Pretty powerful, 2200 max PSI, 2.1 gallons per minute, and you can reach all around the area with this 100-foot hose. So try it out. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I know this wasn't a detailing video, but it had a detailing tool in it. Have a good day.